Alright, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to use CJ.com for affiliate links. I really love working with them because they're so user-friendly. They're very, very simple to use. It looks a little intimidating at first, but you'll get it in no time. Alright, so here's CJ.com. Alright, and here's my example post that I'm showing you in WordPress. I've got this little sentence. I'm going to add Doctor Who cookie cutters. I want to have an affiliate link there. So, first of all, when you are working with CJ, you want to make sure you have a relationship with the advertisers that you want. It's taking a while to load. Alright, so you would search in this section for your advertisers that you're looking for. I use ThinkGeek a lot, Williams Sonoma, some tech companies I like. There's a lot of different really good ones. Just search for your favorites and see if they have something on here. And once you find something you like, all you have to do is click the Join Program. Some of them you have to be approved. Some of them you get approved automatically. And you'll have to accept terms depending on the advertiser as well. Alright. So, back to looking for those Doctor Who cookie cutters. Alright. So, I know that I'm looking for Doctor Who cookie cutters, and I know they're at thinkgeek.com. So I'm going to look up the advertiser ThinkGeek. It's right there. And I'm going to use the keyword right here. There we go. Alright, I know exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm going to look up Doctor Who cookie cutters here. Search. There it is. I'm going to click on it. Don't click on the link unless you want to preview what it looks like on the actual internet. That's what it's going to look like when your customers or your readers click on that. Alright, and then that's more information about it, and you can get the code. There's going to be HTML code that includes the image. It's going to have that little image in there. There's a JavaScript, a click URL, or just the image URL. We're going to use the click URL because that's just going to be a link. Alright, and then there's also you can also have different advertisers will have products on sale or different collections of products. Like I'm looking for their Doctor Who section right here, ThinkGeek's Doctor Who section. So I'm going to look up ThinkGeek and then use the keyword Doctor Who. And there's kind of a cool graphic of a guy looking like David Tennant here. And then you want to go ahead and you can grab your code. I don't want that graphic, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that click URL. But you could have that graphic right on your page. You could put it in your sidebar if you wanted to. But for blog posts, I will just use the link most of the time. Alright, so just made those all links. Now, the really cool thing about CJ.com that I really love is the ability to use widgets. You can use widgets. There's different kinds. All you do is go to widgets, and then these are some of the widgets I've made in the past. And then you go to create widget. We're in a Doctor Who mood, right? So we're going to say product search, advertiser, ThinkGeek, again, because we love them. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and look up Doctor Who in this big search bar. And this is for a cool little slideshow widget. We're going to name it Doctor Who. Let's do just Doctor Who. Alright, Doctor Who. Oh, there's the cookie cutters again. There's some cool keychains. Bookends. Oh, I love this. I just saw it the other day. Garbage can. Yahtzee. sonic screwdriver, spatula. That should be good for this. So we'll just click, we have 8 images here, we'll just click customize. You can have the images rotate, and then you can choose the duration. I like to do about 3 or 4 seconds. And you can choose to show the advertiser name. I like that just because the readers can trust you a little bit more, or trust the links a little more if they know exactly where they're going to be directed to. And then you also have these options to automatically delete products when they're removed, out of stock, the advertiser expires, or they become deactivated. That's cool because then you won't have dead links on your blog, so your readers won't be disappointed. And you can choose the different sizes too. We're just going to keep it the rectangle. Then all you do is save and grab the code, drop down. That's the blog I want to know. Grab that code and put it in here. Oops. All right, next up we're going to do the grid. Alright, next up we're going to do the grid. We're going to skip collage because it's basically the same thing. You're just going to be able to move things around a little bit. So you're going to do product search. Let's go for Star Wars this time. It doesn't really go with my posts, but it's in the same category, right? So Star Wars. Oh, I love these bar stools. And for these, what is this? It's a grid. I like to have nice even numbers, but I'll go with, I like to have my grid in stacks of 3, so I'll do like 9, 12 items, somewhere around there. 9 or 12 is good. I think that's a good number. Cookie cutters. Dog collars. There's so many fun things. Or was that a dog collar? A candlestick that looks like a lightsaber. That's awesome. Rings. Not sure what that is. Oh, auto coasters for your car. I love this watch. That'd be such a cool gift to give a guy. And I'm just going to go ahead and click customize. And I'm going to have 3 columns. I have 3 rows. I don't need to auto rotate. I'm just going to keep this as a nice little graphic on my page. I'm going to adjust the cell width a little so they're just a teeny bit smaller. And I'm going to let the advertiser name show and show product info and hover, and the things and all the items will be deleted automatically for any of those reasons. All right, that looks perfect to me. Just a weird little glitch here, but it's not going to affect anything. And I'm selecting my website again and my code. So easy. Here's my code. And then let's go ahead and preview this post. Here's one of my affiliate links, another one, my slideshow, and my grid. And again, you can use collages too. It's going to be almost the same thing as the grid, but you'll be able to layer your objects on top of each other and make them different sizes and everything. But just for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through collages as well because there's just too many different options, and that's why we love CJ.com, because they have so many great options for affiliate links, and it's just really easy to use and so much fun. Alright, I hope you learned something today, and I hope that you feel a little bit more comfortable with affiliate marketing. It's so easy. Everyone should be doing it. And a lot of people feel like it could be spammy or whatever. I think it benefits your readers. If you're talking about, like, you could make one of these if you're talking about a recipe or a craft, and you could use those items that are in the recipe or craft, and your readers would be able to find them. And I think that's a really fun idea.